Summer nights, fashion and everybody out on the dance floor singing.
Hello my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also don't forget to visit sassiover55.com. It's a skincare website and we do have a giveaway going on until December the 16th. Every month we are going to be giving something away to one of my subscribers, so please just engage with me on my website. Just comment on any blog post and that's all you need to do, and your gift cards and other goodies will be coming out to you. So today I have this, I would say half up, half down, semi glammed up look for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I use in this video. Is going to be down below. If you watched last Sunday's videos, I talked about this quad that I picked up from Walmart. This is a hard candy palette. This is what I use in this makeup look today, and I love the way this has turned out. I'm really happy, but of course you guys know I'm all about skincare and less makeup, okay? But if I'm going to be putting makeup on my face, it's going to be something like this or my flawless makeup look that I did 2 weeks prior. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Everything again is going to be down below, and don't forget to check out the giveaway. It's going on right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please enjoy, and I shall see you next time. Doodles. lovelies, here we are. We are finished with the makeup look for today. If you've watched last week's Sunday's video, I did promise to come back with a makeup look using this palette from Walmart. This is a quad palette from Hard Candy. This is what I've used on my face today. And I realize as I'm getting older, I don't need to buy expensive palette to have a really simple, beautiful look. I really don't. And again, I just can't see myself spending $25 on a palette. This one must have been, what, $7 or $5 from Walmart. Just go check it out. So this is the finished look. I love the way this has turned out, and I'm loving the nude lips lately. I went through my red phase and my pink phase and purple, but now I'm really loving this toned down, sort of a shiny ombre-ish look on the lips. It's really, really simple, and I actually love it. And of course, everything that I use on my face is going to be in the description box for you guys to check out. If you want to go ahead and recreate this look, knock yourself out. That's totally fine. Don't forget to share, subscribe, thumbs up this video. And also, sassyover55.com is a skincare website, and we are doing a giveaway on right now. Just leave a comment on a blog post. My favorite skincare product is XYZ. We'll pick somebody, and every month you guys are going to be getting something until December the 16th. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and again, everything is going to be in the description box for you. If you want to jump ahead right now and go to the website, all of the details are going to be on there of this makeup look. Okay, thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Toodles.